Hi, this is Accutek car audio visual in Winchester. Here's a little video of a Transporter T5.1. It's had a really nice upgrade. We've used a KENWOOD DMX9724XDS in this particular car. All the steering wheel controls still work for forward and back, volume up and down. As you can see, it's a really nice screen. Really nice size wise as well. It's a 10.1 inch screen. If I go on the home screen, so you have got features on this home screen that you can change. A lot of people don't realize it can be done. There's a top button up here. If you press that, you can have rear camera on all the time if you wanted to, and then you can have GPS, compass, which is a real nice feature. Or you can have your time, and also your EQ settings with the sub-level controller if you have a subwoofer. This one hasn't got it yet, but it will do at some point, I'm sure. I'll put that back onto time. You have got a mode button down here to go to all your sources. There we are. As you can see here, plenty of sources and facilities to have your, it's got an HDMI in for, you can have a Fire Stick or Apple TV into that, or you can have your iPhone wired into it for an HDMI. It's got FM, DAB, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both wireless and wired. On this particular vehicle, we've got the USB in the glove box. We call it a phone box now. This has also got a rear camera connected to it, so when you put it into reverse, it comes up. This is the factory camera as well, so you can see the guidelines we've set up, so it's right on the edge of the bumper, which is a nice feature. I'll pop it back out. Apple CarPlay's got all your usual features, as you can see here, with Google Maps, Apple Maps, etc. All the different apps are available. If you'd like to have this done in your Transporter T5.1, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.